This is page 7. Page 7. All right. We went from factors. Actually, keep your hands to yourself. What is the deal? What do you need? No, what do you need? What do you need? Things that would be great. All right, 7th graders, back to it. A multiple of a number is a product of the number and any non-zero whole numbers. Essentially, we're counting by that number. You know how to count by twos, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Those are all multiples of what? 2. So multiples could go on forever, right? Infinitely. Whereas factors, there are a set number of factors that multiply to make them, right? That's why we did it very, very logically, step by step. That's why it says list the first 10 multiples, because we could go on forever. Axia, zip it. 6, 12. I'm going to start singing for y'all. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, and 42, 48, and 54, 60, 66, and 72. We only need to do the first 10 though. That's it. You should know these. If you don't know these, then you should be working on your flashcards. When do we get those? You go to the dollar store, or you can make them on your own. My children like to make them out of cut up cereal boxes, so they're thicker. All right, multiples of 8. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, and 72, 80, 88, and 96. So again, we just need the first 10, okay? Yes, it's cool. All right. With factors. Stop. Allie, be nice. You don't have a big old forehead. All right. Guys, with factors, we spent a day doing factors, and then we worked on greatest common factor. We're not spending a day on doing multiples first. We're jumping right to least common multiple. So multiples shared by 2 or more numbers are called common multiples. So if we circled the ones in common, we would be circling 24 and 48, right? But when we are dealing with common denominators, we have to find least common multiples. So the smallest one is the one we call the least common multiple. And in this case, it's 24. All right, we can do the same thing here. Please turn off your voices. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 9, 18, 27. But as soon as I see one they have in common, I can stop, right? So 18 is my least common. Let's see what we need to do. Yes, there is. All right. Tell me how you want me to do number 2. Okay. Like this. Like this. Hold on. Math hacks by Jalen coming your way.
Excuse me. So then you figure out, hold on, let me figure this out. Get my butt out of this, kids. Okay, so then 4 and then 8.
Wait, why 8?
Because, oh wait, not 8. Never mind.
6 maybe?
Yeah.
Okay.
6. And then more can go into that. So then 4.
2. Come out of 4 and 6.
Yeah.
Going 4.
Yeah, so then that is 2 and 3 and then nothing else. So then you times all these together. So that's 4, 8, and then 6, so then 8 times 6. I don't know what 8 times 6 is.
48.
Whoa. Okay. Did you follow that? So, besides making 7s for 4s, so she took a 4 out of 16 and 24, which made a 4 and a 6. So then she took a 2 out here, which left a 2 and a 3, and she multiplied them all together. So if we did that for 8 and 20, let's look. What could I take out of 8 and 20? 4. So 4 times what is 8? 4 times what is 20? 5. These don't have any in common. So now all I have to do is 4 times 2 times 5. So this answer is 40. Yes. Sure. All right, so I would definitely agree that that's much faster. But can I do, hey, Jay, how would you do it with 3 numbers? Can I do it with 3 numbers? Would I do 4, 6, and 9?
I'm confused already.
It's okay. So then you
I
look.
can't take anything out of them. No, I
So
can't.
then you don't look at this. Can you take anything out of 9? Mrs. Wright taught me this from
3.
here. So then 3. So then you do that. So then you drop these 2 and this. Can you take anything out of those?
Oh, I see. So if you can't close here. Hey guys, if you can't take it out of that thing, then you would just bring that down. Interesting. And so if we take out 3, we still have a 4. And then what would you do? Take out a 2? No.
So,
that was it?
I mean, no, because you can only look at, I mean, if you wanted to, you could do those 2.
That's what I'm wondering.
So, yeah, so then you could do it like that. Drop the 3, do it the 2, then 1, and then the 2.
Which
And
would
then-
be the same thing as
Yeah.
anyway,
So
but
then-
they're smaller numbers.
So then you would.
Okay. Magic tricks. Are you ready? What's 3 times 2? 6 times 2. 12 times 3. 36. Hey guys, this is what we did here to find 40. This is what we did here to find 36. If you don't like that, start listing factors. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. When you see the 40, you should know that the first two, I just said factors again. The first two multiples of, so these are going to be the smallest. So you can do it by listing two if you don't like it this way. I think with these smaller numbers, it makes sense to list them, but you will see on this back side, with these bigger numbers, we might want to try it the other way, okay? I'm going to do the odds with you, and you are going to be responsible for the evens. So here, 6 and 8, we literally just did this. I'm not gonna do it again. I'm gonna use my resources. What's the least common multiple of 6 and 8? 24, El Dunzo. If I'm listing the multiples, I'm just adding. These are actually in your multiplication chart too, but 4 plus 8 is 12. So 42. 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 plus 4 is 5. Please be quiet. 4 plus 6 is 10. So this is 70. Can I get a drink, please? Sure. 21 would be 21. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. There's your least common multiple. I don't know whose it is. Is anybody missing a long sleeve hoodie? It's like t-shirt material. All right, Allie, don't worry about it. Do what you need to do because you're missing half the work you have to do today. You're going to have to do it all by yourself. All right, so 12 and 27. What can I divide them both by? Not 2, 3. 3 times what is 12? 3 times what is 9? 3 times what is 27? I just gave you the answer. So 3 times 4 is 12 times 9 is 108. 3 times 4 times 9. That was a lot easier than adding up. All right, so how do you reverse that for greatest common factor is what I want to know. I'll ask her. I am meeting with her today. It's all good. All right, what can I take out of 30 and 42? Well, they both end in a 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. So we know 2. They also add up to 3, 6, or 9. Kyra, bring me your phone. I would definitely bring it to me. I'm just giving you a hint there. What can I take out of 30 or 42? Please don't disrupt my hour any longer. So I just said 2 or 3, which we can take a 3 out. This is 10 times. I can't do a 9 here. It doesn't add to 9. Neither does this. 6 would be efficient. So 6 and 5. Allie, it's unlocked. Wow. Can you stop disrupting my class, please? That would be super helpful. 6 times 7 here, and then that would be it. That's still kind of ugly. 35 times 6. Where did I get 35 from? 5 times 7, right? So this is 30. That didn't seem like very successful, but I'll take it. 210 here. Oh, I told you I was only gonna do the odds. All right, let's do one word problem. I'm gonna do number 10 because it's more difficult. and 12. We're trying to find the least common multiple, but then we have to use that to figure out the least number of packages. So we want to have the same number of and hot dogs, but one comes in packs of 10 and one comes in packs of 12. So what would you take out of here? 2, 5, and 6. So that's it. So 30 times 2 is what? 60 here. So I need 60 hamburgers. So how many packages of hamburgers do I need? If they come in packages of 10, 6. I'm just going to say ham. I'm abbreviating for you. How many packages of hot dogs? If they come in 12 in a pack and I need 60, how many packs do I need? 5, because 5 times 12 equals 60. So 5 packs of hot. 6 packs of ham, 5 packs of hot. All right. So that leaves you with 2, 4, 5 problems. You have a lot of time. 25, 28. I might keep you for 30 minutes if I have to. Hopefully not. You need to finish page 8 today and be working in Alex. Remember, you should have 5 topics this week.
Do I have to do that?